Greetings to all my dear friends and teachers and my students. First of all, I would like to extend my thanks to my new subscribers. Please be connected so that you will get more and more information and more video related to online teaching. Nowadays, most of the schools are planning to teach online. So in the last video, I told you about how to use Google Classroom. Now with Google Classroom, how we can use Google Meet, that I am going to teach you, tell you. I am going to tell you here the uses of Google Meet, how to use the Google Meet effectively. Okay, so without wasting time, let's get started. First of all, you have to download the Google Meet. Here you can see the symbol of the Google Meet. You can download it from the Google Play Store, install it, and now we are going to see how we can use a Google Meet for online teaching. Okay, are you ready? Okay, see, first of all we have to click on the Google Meet app. Yes, now such kind of interface you can see here. Here in the screen, what we can see, the two options are there, new meeting and meeting code. Okay, so if you want to start a new meeting right now, click on the new meeting. Okay, afterward I will tell you about the meeting code. So I will click on new meeting. It will take a few moments to start a meeting. Yes, now here the meeting will start, and here one link is generated that you have to share it to your friends, colleagues, or the people who are going to join your meeting. So, and here you see after slash some characters are there, 10 characters are there after slash, meet.google.com slash, and here characters are there, 10 characters. That 10 characters can be used as that meeting code. Okay, just now I told you meeting code. With the help of that code also, the student or people can join your meeting. Now see, this link can be shared to your friends, colleagues. So click on share. Multiple choices are available here. I will send through WhatsApp to one of my friend. The link will be sent to him or her. Then we have to go back, and the friend will click on the link. After clicking that, we will see the notification here. After, it will take a few seconds to appear the notification, so that we can admit the person here. So here notification I got, we have to click on admit. Now see, here we can see that person is joined. Okay, now I would like to tell you the features. First of all, you click on your screen. Here the option of mic, option of video we can see. If you click on mic, if you want to mute your mic, click on mic. Now see, if the mic is on mute, nobody will hear you. You will not be audible to others. Okay, in the same way, if you want to off your camera, then click on the video camera, so that you could not able to, other people who are in the meeting will not see you. So you can see here Mr. Praveen, and before there in front of that, you are not visible now. When I will on it, here now I am visible. Okay, so in this way we can mute, unmute the mic, on and off the video. Now again I will tell you some of the options. Here is on the top right side we can see the symbol of headphone. If you want to use headphones, so click on headphones. So here when you click on headphones you need to use headphones. If you click on speaker, at that time there is no need of using what? Headphones. Okay, so these are important options here. Audio off, if we click on that your audio will be off. Okay, now I will tell you about the second option, that is CC. CC, it is about the captions. Now captions are being turned on. Captions are being turned on means what? When you speak, what will happen? Whatever you speak, it will be typed here automatically. But here is the condition, that you need to speak in English only. Okay, you need to speak in English only. Wait a minute. You need to speak in English only. That time only here the spelling can be appear on the screen. Now you can see whatever I am speaking here, that is typed already. Okay, yes, you can see whatever is typed that can be appear here. Okay, अगर आप हिंदी में बोलते हो तो यहाँ पे इंग्लिश में टाइप नहीं होगा. Okay, yes, it may be misspelled. Okay, now see, now I am going to tell about the more options. Click on the three dots. See now, if you want to switch camera, right now we are using the front camera. Okay, if you want to use back camera, you can click on switch camera and it can be switched. Now see, here I am not visible here. Change the camera, switch. Now I can be visible here. Okay, so this is the first option. Next option, turn on captions. If you turn off the captions, whatever you will speak, it will not be typed down your screen. Okay, present screen, this is important. If you want to present yourself, if you want to give presentation through the Google Meet, okay, go on present screen, start presenting. Now you can start presentation. Do not go back to present. If you go back, there may be chances of disconnecting the call. So if multiple windows are open, click on the multiple windows and then select your presentation. Here I will show one of the PPTs of mine. Click on the PPT. PPT will be visible to others now, those who are in the meetings. In this way you can see the PPT. If you click on the play button above on the right side, then PPT will run automatically and you can explain the things. You can explain whatever you want to your students. See, you can see the PPT here. Click on play button. PPT will run in this way. Okay, and after your complete presentation, you again go back. I will show you how to go back and you can stop presenting there. Once you stop presenting there, see, your presentation will be stopped. In this way you can show PPT to your students. Not only PPT, PDF file, any file you can show to the student and explain it. See here, stop presenting. If you click on that, your presentation will be automatically stopped, and afterward you can have a live chat to your student. If the student has any doubt, they can ask you during the live chat. Okay. If you find this video useful to you, please share it to your friends, comment below the video, and do not forget to subscribe it. Please subscribe it, and I would like to extend my thanks to the previous subscribers. Thank you all. Be connected.